Welcome to another video in my channel! Charot ako eh. Naka-dress ako kasi we came from mass. So, after mass, nag-dinner sa baba. It was vegetarian. I had talong and beans. Oh, wow. Bagong buhay. So, I woke up pretty late kanina, like 10:30. And I just finished like a certain topic, yung sa musculoskeletal part. So, that was what I focused on. Right now, it's the evening and medyo I'm feeling better because I also ate and had coffee. I had coffee tonight. Tonight, sa gabi ako nag-coffee. So, I did forest kaninang umaga. So, we were able to do a total of, we have focused for 4 hours today. But, yeah. Okay, I'm back at my study table. This is actually Jam's table. But it's mine because I'm studying. Napunta siya dun sa other smaller table. Anyway, right now I'm gonna go back to studying. And yeah, that's been my routine for the last week. Like, same routine every day. Gigising ako para mag-aral. Kakain ng lunch. Mag-exercise in my dreams. Char. Yun yung kailangan ko eh, yung exercise. Wala pa siya sa ano ko eh. I need to do that. And eat healthy. Yun, it has been like it's basically like how I did my board season. Diba? Hindi pa rin natatapos. Parang mag-aaral pa rin ako for boards. Ito. Oh, diba? Anyway. But, yeah. I'm just, trying to take it all in. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. So, channeling that energy and manifesting. I am going to be a board-certified pedia. It's also my promise to my dad and one of the things he really wanted me. And I feel like I had a lot of repressed feelings of a lot of things. Every time I'm in church, like, lagi akong umiiyak, hindi ko like mapigilan. Like, minsan nakakaya kasi mag-fall lang yung tear ko dito, tas hindi ko makontrol. But I feel like that's also okay. Anyway, grief comes randomly. Anyway, let's have some hung thai, and let's proceed with studying. And I'll talk to you guys later. Wait. Down to the last 5 days. Jem is here. It's actually on video. But yeah, we are reading again. I'm reading on my iPad. And I have snacks. This is my snack. Cropek with pinakurat. Sobrang kaba ko, guys. Hindi ako nakapag-video. But I ran yesterday, which was good. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, I'll go back to studying. Hey guys, we're down to the last 2 days before my diplomate exam. And in the next week, we're gonna be a board-certified pediatrician. Claiming it. Okay, so actually it is March 1 today. I just took a bath, kaya medyo basa pa yung hair ko. Di pala medyo, basa talaga hair ko. And Jam arrived yesterday, so he's here. Hi! Medyo not ligo pa siya, so I won't show him. But this is the setup right now. Yeah, this is my study space. I'm just playing some jazz music para ma-relax ako. Kasi my anxiety has been has been the worst in the last days. And for the past week, kasi wala si Jem, so it was just me. So anyway, he's here, which is really good. And right now it's 2:12. Taking a study break because we're going to Padre Pio to pray and light the candle. So that's the plan for now. It's kind of windy, but yeah, just taking in everything that I need to study. Cramming mode. Binabalikan ko yung mga ibang things na nalilimutan ko. And yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, let's go to Padre Pio. going home. We got the goods. We got the goods. Okay, time to head back home. Hello guys, so we're actually home. I need more light. Because onti ng light. Okay, that's better. I think I can turn off the other ones. Yeah. Okay, so I bought ramen. Nagpa-deliver na ako. Si Jem is out because he's eating out with his mom. So I'm just here. I'm studying with my laptop. This is ramenagi. My laptop's here. And we have water. I'm really nervous. I'm getting nervous. Kasi na-feel ko na sobrang lapit na. Anyway. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, we have ramen here. I got the Butao King. It's not as hot. First time ko magpa-deliver na ramen na ramenagi. Akala ko wala silang delivery, but I guess meron pala. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of PLE days. We're back here in St. Jude. Naiiyak na naman ako! Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so tomorrow is the day. Maging haplomate na tayo. Haplomate kasi written tomorrow. And then, we're gonna prepare for the orals. And then, DPPS na po tayo. Woo! We can do this, we can do this, we can do this. Actually, I just came from St. Jude. And after that, we just bought some stuff sa Landers. Kasi malapit lang yung Landers doon. So, I got myself this one. Ito yung lagi naman kinakain sa residency. Yung snacks. Hala, nabuksan, baka mahulog. Ayan, itong mix nuts. And actually, I just brought my iPad. So, the whole day, I guess quick reviewers lang ako. And then, yeah, I feel like my anxiety was so high today na parang sobrang anxiety-stricken day to. But anyway, we went to St. Jude today, so I was able to pray, light a candle. And then, yeah, right now it is 9:30 p.m. I'm just gonna prepare for tomorrow. We're gonna wake up early and then, yeah. We can do this, kaya natin to. By the time you guys see this video, this March, DPPS na po tayo. Board certified PIA. Okay. We can do this. Wow. Good morning, guys. So, it is 6 a.m. I'm eating breakfast. And we're gonna go to the testing site. Got rice. Also got egg. Ito lang specifically pinaluto ko. But they're just having water kasi takot ako makatae as a lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerance is asthmatic type of diarrhea. Charot. Okay, let's eat. We are here, guys.
Go.
I can do this.
Love you. Kiss.
Love you. Okay.
Good luck. Easy.
Okay, let's do this.
Sobrang tawa. Bakit?
Hi! Kasi nga, piyak. Piyak na ulit ako. Pili ko ito yung sinuot ko. So, pagkalabas ng PLE exam, tingnan ko yung video. I think ito yung exact same shirt. Pero guys, we passed the board certified exam. So, half of the exam pa lang naman to. But still, written exams done. We passed. Now orals. But I'm very happy. Okay, oral ulit. Let's call mommy. Mommy's not answering. Pasado, mommy. Done na sa written. Pass na tayo. Now, orals next. Pero actually, orals pa ang next. Okay, sige. I will call again later. Love you.